Hey there, folks. Alright, so I was going to build the New England farmhouse as my first build of 2022, but I was looking at the instructions and stuff, and it's a little bit more complicated than I thought it was, and I also have some plans. I want to do like a full interior on that kit, and also do some lighting and stuff, so we're gonna build this Railroad Kit's Iron Rose Antiques kit. Both of these kits, this one in the farmhouse, they're gonna go in a diorama eventually anyway, so we're gonna start and build this one first, and so we'll see how it goes. So yeah, that's the thing. You know, plans change, but again, we're gonna crack this box open and we'll see what's inside. All right, so let's crack this open. I've built, actually the first Craftsman kit I ever built was Railroad Kits. The J. Keen Supplies, that was my first kit, and I really enjoyed building it, so let's see here, see what's inside. So yeah, let's see. Usually these Railroad Kits, they go together pretty well. Let's see, we got basic instructions. The instructions with Railroad Kits, they don't really include it within the box, but they have the full PDF on the website that you download, and I put it on my iPad and just use that. So, but this is kind of the basic layout. And I see we got, these are probably what, Tichy windows. And look, we got a lot of castings, white metal castings, which is cool. So that's pretty neat. I guess these are just your basic white metal castings. I got a whole big container of white metal castings too that I can use. All right, looks like you scratch build the doors. That's cool. I really enjoy that. So a lot of times I'll make a photocopy of this, and which could be used, you know, in future use in other builds, scratch building and stuff. So it looks like, yep, you're gonna scratch build the doors. I enjoy doing that. That's a lot of fun. It helps you build up your skills, you know, for future if you want to scratch build an entire kit. Instead of using a kit, you can, you know, build one yourself. So we got that. The package of the walls, which is typical. We got that. We got your strip wood, I imagine. And I have a big stash of strip wood too, so you know, sometimes there's not enough in the kit, or if you make a mistake, but looks like we got the strip wood here to build those barn doors. And of course you got your bracing for the walls, prevent warpage. You got your acetate here for the windows. And we got a sheet of signs. And again, I'll make a copy of this too, but I have a lot already in. I'm not sure if I'm going to call it Iron Rose Antiques. I may change the name up on that, which, you know, that's a possibility. Because, you know, there's a picture of a Sunday and stuff like that. You're not going to really use that. So a lot of these signs I may not even use any of these. May design my own. Got your little warning here, you know, typical everything in California causes cancer, so we'll just disregard that. Looks like we got some tar paper roofing material. and a sheet of shingles, which I don't really use these. I buy aftermarket shingles from other manufacturers that I use. These are nice. You just have to paint them and stuff, but I prefer like the bar mill shingles or full scale model shingles and stuff like that that are out there. Another sign. Then we got the bracing diagram, which is, very important. You follow these pretty carefully. You make sure you indent here where the walls join together. And again, this bracing's on the interior and just prevents when you paint the walls and stuff to keep them from warping. So we got the bracing diagram. And it looks like we got well, so this is probably, I'm guessing this is for the interior walls and floors, or not floors, yeah, it's probably the walls and floors. So inside, inside the building, you can put, stuff on the, like that you're selling or whatever. There's like the interior walls, and, you can put little castings on there or what have you. And it's nice that, you have the floors, so this will get painted up. But, yeah, so this seems like a pretty basic kit. And again, I need to build up my skills a little bit before I tackle that farmhouse. I was looking at the instructions, and there's 2 levels. There's an upstairs and downstairs, which is pretty cool. So that's what got me thinking, well, I could, detail the inside too. So if you look in the windows, make like a, little furniture and stuff, and, just, do the extra step and do some interior lighting and everything. So that's what we'll do with that. All right, folks. So until next time, remember, be kind.